Um, right. I'm just gonna show you like because sometimes basically what you have like this is account right, this as you can see this is a real account, right? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see my chart?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is a real account. Now, this account for one of my clients, right? It was started. This account was open. They opened with £2,000, right? Can you see the £2,000 there?
Fine, yeah.
Okay, and then basically, and this was open on the 12th of August. Yeah. So if you think
Yeah.
about it, we're about the 20th. So we're looking at about September, October. So we're looking at say 2 months and a little bit, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if we look down now, the profit on this account is 1,180. Yeah. Now, starting with 2,000 and then and up 1,180 something pounds as in profit. No bank is going to give you that in 2 months.
No.
You understand? But then if you notice, if you look at the sort of profit, I'm not one who's going to be putting on in a big, massive trade. If you look at the sort of profit I'm making, is what I'm saying. I'm not going in for the kill sort of thing. Okay. So let me show you another client's account as well. Okay. Now this client, she gave me, as you can see on our real account, right? No, she gave me initially 1,000, but then she moved up to 3,000, right? Now our account, right? Now basically, her account started in the 29th of August, so September to October so far, right? And we have made so far £374. No, I'm very conservative. I'm very conservative. Let me show you another client account as well. Okay. Um, because at the end of the day, I can't afford to basically, risk people money and lose it like an idiot. I take this thing really seriously. And basically what I've got to make sure that I do is that I want to build my integrity out there and make sure that people, when they see me, everybody want to come and invest with me. You understand?
Yeah,
So
yeah, understand.
yeah, and I'm not gonna one of those people gonna say get rich, this, that, and the other. All I can say is what I'm offering banks, I'm gonna be doing way better than the bank. So if you leave your money in the bank, right, and expect it to grow, that's not gonna happen. And that's what I've been saying, I'm saying to people, look, I'm doing because all of these people, they can't say what I've given, what they've got in their account, they would have been able to get that in their bank. No way. Does it make sense?
That makes sense, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Is there any way that I could contact these two clients that you've had? Or do you
well,
keep
one of them, yeah, you can, of course, you can contact them. Yeah, but
did they find you through Instagram or are you friends with them?
no, one of them found me through Instagram, and basically, I know one from work. They're retired now. I've got also two other clients, but I didn't ask them their permission to show their account. But at the end of the day, what I do, I show real profit all the time, which you see, I say to a lot of people, right? There's not a lot of people out there that they can show you a real live account that's profitable,
Okay, I get that.
you know?
So, could you give us an Instagram account or some way of
Yeah,
contacting these two clients that are
yeah,
giving you?
but I've got to basically make sure that I ask permission.
Yeah, yeah. Just send us them over on Instagram.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me show you, let me show you another account that I'm trading as well. Okay, right. So, uh, because you know what the brokers do, yeah? What the
Yeah.
brokers will do, they basically, right, like me, like myself, who's a profitable trader, right? They
Hmm.
deliberately go out of their way and they mess up my my things, all my client password and everything was just vanish. So I had to get back all the clients' password to log back in their accounts. Because what they've done, I think they put me on their internal books. Are you aware? Are you aware of that? Where they put you on
Yeah,
the
I understand what you mean.
yeah, huh? They
I
put you on,
understand what you mean.
yeah, what
But
they'll
why
do,
do they put it in
they'll
books?
put you on their internal books, right?
Mm-hmm.
And basically, because they know you're already gonna lose. So for a lot of traders who go in, right?
Yeah.
They put them on their internal books, right? Because what is gonna happen is that they know they're gonna lose. So it's best if they lose their money to them. Make sense?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. So it's best if they get the money than somebody else.
Yeah.
So that's how they do it. So 1 1 6 3. Yeah, so that's so they basically just put them on there.
Do you have a license, or is this just something that you've learned?
No, I'm not FCA regulated.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not FCA regulated, but that's the reason why I can't take your money. You've got to put it in the trading account, and then I trade the account on your behalf. Um, but for some reason I'm not being able to.
So how do you get your commission? Do you take your commission yourself, or do I have to send you the commission?
You've got to send me the commission, so I've got to trust that you're going to do your part. I've had this guy who had a £10,000 account. I moved it to 11,500 within 2 months. He said he had some family emergency, so I said, okay, just give me 25%. I haven't heard from him since. So and I also asked him for a testimony, and he didn't do the testimony as well. Um, you know, so because basically, but that's the way it is at the moment because I can't really, you basically. So my other friend was saying, why not just do it where I do it monthly? But I'm saying I can't promise anybody anything monthly profit because the way I trade, I'm not going to be I'm not going to push this thing like, force myself to trade if I don't see anything that doesn't set up in my trading plan. If it doesn't set up according to my trading plan, then I'm not taking the trade, you know?
No, I
One,
understand.
yeah,
How
and
long have you been trading for?
now I've been trading now for over 6 years now.
And your personal portfolio, how does that look? So how much money
Okay,
do you
yeah,
earn?
yeah. Let me show my personal portfolio. Okay. So what do you do for a living?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Are you an entrepreneur? Okay.
Yeah, I've got a vegan subscription business, and I've also got an online business too.
Okay, okay. Vegan. Okay. How is that going?
Very well, yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Are you from Ireland or Liverpool?
Newcastle.
Newcastle. Oh yeah, Newcastle. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So is it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Definitely Newcastle. Yeah. Let me show you what my portfolio looks like. You know about my FX book?
No, actually.
No,
What's
my
that? Is
FX
that
book is
the
like
platform you're using there?
yeah, it's a sort of a platform that traders use to verify their account and also for people to be able to see what's happening and on their trading account and so on. So and it's a good way for you as well as a trader to see how your trades are doing as well. Now, it's been initially, I must say, my first experience when I started trading, right? It was, I moved like what five. I made £14,000 in like I think like 2 or 3 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah, and so I was like, what the
Okay.
hell?
What
This
was
thing is
the
easy, man.
initial?
What people are talking about difficult, this is easy. Oh my God, man. And then after that, I started doing really well. And then the summer of that year, when I went, this was during the summer, when I was off work, because I'm a teacher. And basically, then I went back to work. Oh my God, it was crazy after. It was really
Hmm.
crazy after, yeah. They I end up couldn't trade the way I used to and everything else. Then eventually I moved £80,000 because I sold a property, and so I had £80,000 cash, and I put it in a trading account because of what I've made over 20 odd thousand now in 4 weeks. So I said, okay then, so I then moved this £20,000 account, right, to up to then I got 60 because I sold this property. So at 80, and I moved that account all the way up to now, right, to £200,000.
Wow.
But then it was only stocks, right? And what I did was, which I didn't understand, I end up, right, I Mario Draghi and they had some G Summit, and you know and trust me, I thought the world was coming to an end, and I closed my trades and so on, and I lost all of that money. And then I was like, okay, and then I just went and then on my on for just education, because I'm a property, I invest in property and rent property and so on. So that's me there.
I'm interested.
So that's me there,
I'm
and
curious.
this is my trading um, portfolio here. So, like for example, this one here, um, this is all real account you'll see as well, and basically, um, what I've got here is this, for example, here, this account here, when even from last year, I've been running this one, went up 40% drop there, but I've noticed like every time I get half term, like next week. We get half term, and I think these are the times when I'm really tired. And in December again, and then here we go again. We go again. This was the half term again, but I've recovered my account since. Okay, so the really big drop there on this account, and also this one as well. Um, and the same sort of situation again when we come on to half term. This was there, and then again it's summer break, but then since then, I've sort of sorted out my mindset on that bit, and then where have we got now, and then the others now, which is this one here now, where I'm only trading, I'm mainly trading metals on this one, but this one I'm doing, I've sorted myself out really. So in August it's 24%, 7.1% so far this month. And then let's say this one here, this account is up 88%. And then this one here now, you know, so far, yeah, this is up 11, 34, 24% so far on this one. And then this one here now, um, this one here now is up, and these are the same trades that I put on my client's account as well. So all the trades you see I'm taking on my personal account is the same trades I take on my client's account. And it's doing really well. I can't complain, to be honest. Um, you know, but anything else you'd like to know?
Seems really good. If you can get us those two clients, get those two
Yeah,
clients to just reach out to me
yeah,
on the
yeah.
network meeting page.
So how much money you be planning to invest if you
I
were to
think
invest? Hmm?
at first, I think I'd give you 1,000,
Okay, but remember,
and
you're not
then
giving me the 1,000. You're
I think
basically
well, I'm
putting it in a
giving you the use for me. Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
you
So
understand?
I'm trading it on your behalf. But let me tell you,
Yeah.
the payment for me is once I get you up to 10%, then you do a testimony for me. Because more
Okay.
than anything else now, as I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to build my credibility. Because even what's his name, this company here, my FX book, you've got clients on there now who basically are contacting me to copy my trades as well. Which is good. Which is good. You also got this other one that's called that's equation. I've got clients on there now are trying to copy my trades as well. So, but they pay a fee, but what I want them to do is to give me the £100,000 to trade. and I get a cut of that profit because that's what I need. I need that so I can trade people's funds. That's really what I want to do. But yeah, I will ask permission and get a few of those people. If they can. So how would you like to contact them? Like just like their Instagram?
Ask them to contact me through Instagram, or if not, I'll give you my contact number
Yeah,
and
yeah,
get
yeah,
me.
yeah.
So
Okay,
let's
yeah.
let's talk through the payment process. So I'll give you £1,000
No,
when it
no, you
gets to
don't give me £1,000. Remember, you can't give me money
but
because I'm not FCA regulated. And in the UK, the law is really strict, on those sort of
yeah,
things. So what happens? I give you the company, you put the money into the account. All you do, you give me the login details, and I trade it. Now, one of the clients asked me today, Marlon, because people are scared. People are scared that people are going to run off with their money, right? And I said, look, listen, because he's saying, can I go on and change his password and take over his account? And I'm like, no, I can't. You need an email address, right? You need an email address for them to send the information to. So I can't go in and use your account details to do anything. I don't even see your account because guess what happened as well? It's an MT4 that I'm logging into. That MT4 and your account is attached to your bank account. And with Forex trading and the way the market's set up, the money can only go back to the account that it was taken from. So there's no way I can have access to your money. And also, on the other side as well, you have got to send any money to me to pay me. So I have also got to basically be aware of the people who I'm going to be helping because next thing someone give me a 50,000, I move it up to 20, I put an extra 20,000 and they decide not to give my 20%, 25% cut.
okay,
You see what I'm
I
saying? So I can
understand that.
be at loss as well. But hopefully in the near future, I will have a different system but for now, while I'm in my infancy stage and trying to build my client portfolio and build my credibility because if I had a lot more testimonials and then you were able to see these people a lot more, then it would have been easier for you to just say, okay, Marlon, this is what I'm giving you, go and do your thing, let me see. And then if you do really really well, we add more to it, so that's where I'm at now.
So I put 1,000 the account.
Yeah,
When we hit 10%, what
yeah.
happens?
You just do a testimony for me to say Marlon has been trading my account and this short period of time, and he has made me over 10% already.
Okay. So
Yeah.
after that,
And then
when
after
would
that,
you?
now basically we start looking at the profit is 20. I get 25% of whatever profit. Say if you make 100,000, I'm getting 25,000 you get 75,000. So I don't, but because how the normal hedge fund works is that they take a management fee of your account of 5% a month, plus they
Yeah.
get commission of your profit as well. But for me, I'm nowhere near there yet.
Mhm.
But ultimately, that's my intention to get to that sort of level because what I'm doing so far, a lot of those guys aren't achieving the results I'm achieving, you know. And I can only get better, of course. Every time I go and open my mouth and talk as if I'm king of all, then and you become overconfident. But I am making sure I keep a level-headed person and be this I've got to be just really level-headed because you can't take things for granted. I can't take things for granted. You've got to be basically keep your head screwed down and understand that trading it's great if you know what you're doing.
I understand.
Okay,
So
yes. So what I'll do, I'll get and the thing is that also what I've noticed as well, all the people who have given me their money, in terms of put their money in it, they always want to come and meet me because even people who know I was a head department, I'm a lead practitioner, I run my own school, I've got lots of properties. Where am I going to run off with a little £1,000? And I'm like, and the whole essence is that people are scared because there's so many scammers out there. I've been
yeah,
scammed from binary option. I move a £5,000 account up to 19,500 and they refuse to give my money. But the government banned and everything, and then they left and they refused to hand it over because I didn't realize that the government was going to ban binary option in the UK. You know, um, So a lot of them lose out and they all disappear now. But forex trading, it's okay. Yes, sir. So any other question?
That's all my questions, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. So what I'll do is I'll just ask permission to send details out, and then you can contact them. Okay.
No problem.
Okay, then enjoy the rest of the evening. Okay, and I'll be
Thank you.
leaving out. I'll be leaving out. I'm going to Gambia on Saturday for a week, so I'll be back the following week. But if you want to, all you've got to do is I'll send you a link, and you click on the link, you open the trading account. You would need proof of address, the ID, and deposit funds into the account, and that's all. And then once you've got that verified that it's you, then basically all you've got to do is just WhatsApp me or email me the login details to the trading account, and I log in just like how I can log into these people account, and I trade it accordingly.
Great, Marlon.
Okay, then thank you very much for your time.
Thanks for the call. Cheers.
You're welcome. Yep. Bye bye. Bye.